Don't just walk if you still worry about losing your independence. That little moment when you reach for the wall, or that pause before you push up from your favorite armchair. You know the one. Those shaky steps, those aching knees, that feeling that your balance is just gone. Is not just a sign of getting older. It's a quiet alarm bell telling you that your foundational strength is slipping away. Here's the tough truth. For adults over 50, weak legs are the #1 factor that predicts whether you'll keep your freedom or eventually become reliant on others. Start small, maybe avoiding the stairs, but it can quickly lead to painful falls, unexpected hospital stays, and the loss of your vibrant life. You've heard the advice 1,000 times. Just walk more. But here's the secret the walking clubs won't tell you. Walking is not enough. IT simply cannot rebuild the deep-rooted stability and raw leg power that begins to disappear rapidly after 60. This video is different. We're skipping the gentle 5-minute stretches you've seen on every other channel. Instead, you're going to learn 5 surprising movements designed to directly activate deep muscle chains, reset your nervous system, and restore the kind of reliable control you had decades ago. They are quick, they are effective, and you can do every single one right in your living room. Nitrogen monoxide fancy equipment is required to start. Stay with me until the very end, because your legs, your balance, and your independence are about to get a powerful upgrade. Now, let's get started. The 5 surprising movements. Movement 1, the deep ground hold, the forgotten position. Target, hips, thighs, ankles, core, and nervous system control. Why IT matters. This deep, low resting position, often called the Asian squat, is a full body reset most Western seniors have forgotten how to do. When you hold IT, you instantly wake up the deep foundational muscles, the glutes, the hip stabilizers, and the pelvic floor that have been inactive for years. These are the muscles that control the moment you fall. This move retrains your brain to handle low, unstable situations where most dangerous trips happen. An added bonus? IT stimulates digestion and stretches the sacral area, offering relief from chronic lower back tightness caused by prolonged sitting. How to perform? Stand wide. Turn your toes out 20 degrees. Slowly lower your hips, aiming to keep your heels flat. If they lift, just roll up a towel for support. Rest your elbows inside your knees. Chest lifted. Back straight. Hold for 103 seconds. Quick tip. Use a chair or counter for stability as you get used to this powerful position. Never force the depth. Movement 2. The seated leg extension, the stair climbing muscle. Target, the quadriceps, the powerhouses in the front of your thigh. Why IT matters. Think about standing up from a chair or climbing stairs. That power comes from your quads. After 60, we instinctively avoid challenging our legs, and the brain actually forgets how to fire these muscles correctly. This exercise is one of the safest and most effective ways to wake up and reconnect your brain to your thigh muscles without putting pressure on painful knee joints. Strengthening the quad stabilizes the knee, improves circulation, reducing swelling, and helps hold your pelvis upright for better posture and greater confidence. How to perform? Sit tall in a sturdy chair. Slowly lift one foot, extending your leg until it's nearly straight. Squeeze that thigh. Muscle hard at the top. Hold for 2-3 seconds. Lower slowly. Repeat 101, 2 reps per leg. 2-3 sets total. Quick tip, affiliate integration. Focus on the tension, not the speed. If you want to add a light challenge, a simple resistance loop band around your ankles can instantly transform this move. I'll link to the highly rated, senior-friendly set I use in the description below. Movement 3, The side leg raise with core focus, the fall prevention hero. Target: hip abductors and the crucial gluteus medius. Why IT matters. Did you know that one tiny, neglected muscle in your hip could be the reason your knee or lower back hurts? That's the gluteus medius, the unsung hero of your side-to-side balance. Years of sitting and straight-line walking cause IT to become dormant. When it's weak, your pelvis drops with every step, creating a damaging chain reaction up your body. This side raise is the fix. IT builds lateral strength, the ability to catch yourself when you trip sideways, or step off. A curb restoring a dimension of movement vital for real-world confidence. How to perform. Stand next to a wall or chair for support. Lightly engage your abdominal muscles. Slowly, raise your outside leg directly to the side. No higher than your hip. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower with control. 1 reps per side quick. Tip: keep your toes pointing forward and avoid leaning away from the wall. Focus on controlled movement. Movement 4. Toe raises with breath SY and C. Your second heart. Target: calves, ankle stability, and your vascular system. Why IT matters. This isn't a basic calf raise, it's a powerful full body regulator. Your calf muscles are often called your second heart because they pump venous blood from your legs back toward your chest. When this pump weakens, you get swelling, cold feet, and that dizzy feeling when you stand up too quickly. By pairing the rise and lower with deep, rhythmic breathing, you stimulate your nervous system, which helps regulate blood pressure and lower stress. IT trains your brain to associate standing tall with calm, centered control, improving your reflexive balance with every single rep. How? To perform, stand near a counter form. Support. Slowly inhale through your nose as you rise high onto the balls of your feet. Hold steady for 2-3 seconds slowly. Exhale through your mouth as you lower your heels back down. Repeat 12 to 15 times in a slow, peaceful cycle. Quick tip: for an extra challenge, try closing your eyes for the last few reps to gently test your balance, but only if you feel completely safe. Movement 5. Fasciated march with a mental cue, brain-to-body coordination. Target: hip flexors, core, and brain muscle communication. Why IT matters. Good walking isn't just about strong legs. It's about a sharp brain. As we age, our mental timing and coordination slow down. This exercise strengthens your hip flexors while forcing your brain to communicate clearly with your legs. The twist is the mental cue. You combine each knee lift with a verbal or mental command, like lift left. This builds dual pathway resilience, your safety net against stumbles and those dreaded freeze-ups that happen when you try to walk and talk at the same time. Done regularly, IT improves physical confidence and mental clarity. How to perform. Sit upright in a sturdy chair. Lift your right knee toward your chest while saying out loud, right up. Lower, then lift the left knee saying, left up. Continue alternating for 30 to 60 seconds. Quick tip: to ramp up the cognitive challenge, try tapping your opposite hand to your knee with each lift. SDR, Linda Harper, a physical therapist specializing in aging mobility, says, strength doesn't fade because of age. IT fades from disconnection. Your nervous system has simply forgotten how to fully use your legs and hips. These 5 movements aren't about brute force. They're about retraining your brain to talk to your body again. Every hold, every breath, every mindful repetition is a step toward restoring that lost connection. You don't need a gym membership. You need precision, intention, and consistency. You've just learned 5 of the most powerful, life-changing movements for senior mobility movements, designed to stop the quiet drift toward frailty and immediately begin rebuilding your foundational strength. affiliate product mention, AGAIN. If you want to make these exercises even more effective, check out the link in the description for a fantastic, highly rated set of light resistance bands to add challenge to the seated extensions and side raises. Now, for your call to action. Don't bookmark this video for later is where decline happens. Start with just one of these movements for 60 seconds today. If this video gave you the motivation to act, give us a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which of the 5 moves you tried first. Share this video with a friend, parent, or neighbor who deserves to walk tall and live freely. Your support helps this message of independence reach more people who truly need IT. Thank you for watching.